What's your reaction when you served from monkeys in the restaurant? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's start today's video about the monkey of the restaurant. The unique waiters in the restaurant of Japan who used to serve drinks to the customers are monkeys. Seriously, in the restaurant monkeys are used as a waiters. The restaurant named Kayabukiya is located in Tokyo, Japan. It is a shake house restaurant. Let's talk about the history. The idea came in the owner's mind when he saw that two monkeys serving the napkin on the table. The owner came with the idea that if he used this monkey to the restaurant as a waiter, then it will be great and people love the restaurant too. He adopted two monkeys as a pet and trained to work in the restaurant of Shake House. He adopted macaque monkeys, which are more intelligent than ordinary monkeys. The two monkeys started work as waiters in his shake house after being dressed up as humans. The monkeys are dressed in a shirt and a skirt with a cute and innocent faces. They used to serve the drinks after taking the orders and also giving them a hot towel. The work are divided between the two monkeys in the restaurant. Right now, the restaurant has 5 monkeys as a waiter after being successful by the appreciation of the customers. The restaurant was started in 1993 with the 2 monkeys. The behavior of the monkeys in the restaurant. They are working on the order of his owner. As they train well, they are not doing any strange things in the restaurant. They are just serving the food and the drinks to the customers. They are not eating. Yes, they can't eat the customers' food without their permission. All the monkeys there cannot take the things of customers or cannot annoy any customers around them. They have a proper place to sit in the restaurant if they are not working, so they cannot run here and there in the restaurant. As the macaque monkeys are intelligent, they are understanding the need of the customer there. The ordinary monkey can snatch the food or things and just run away from there, but here the monkeys cannot do that. They are fast with the services. As someone asks for the beer, the monkey run and take it from the refrigerator and deliver it to them. They also used to perform on stage to entertain the customers over there with the drums and other stage props. All the 5 monkeys have their name and they have served many famous actors and politicians over there. Humans' behavior towards the monkeys. The owner used to give them bananas and boiled soya beans as of their work. Customer over there also giving them the same as tea. They are not like humans, so they cannot work for 8 hours a day. Therefore, the government there made a rule that monkey can only work for 2 hours a day. The owner is so close to this monkey that he sleeps sometimes in the restaurant with the monkeys. Every customer over there like to click pictures with the monkeys. The atmosphere in the restaurant between the monkeys and the people are so incredible that no one has imagined it before. The human staff over there are careful that customers need the food from monkeys or not. If any customer do not like to get served the food by the monkeys, then monkey only serves the beer bottles and hot napkins. People across the world came there to visit the restaurant and take the beautiful memories with them. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe this channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to check out the blog website. Link in the description box below.